Linked lines allow you to create comprehensive notes quickly. They make the process of note-taking easier. Linked lines are only ever triggered when a button is clicked. That's how you can be confident that what's documented in your notes is relevant to the consultation you're having. Any button that acts as a trigger has a link icon within it. Any line created by the click of that button has an icon link within a blue circle on the left-hand side. That's how you identify a linked line and its trigger. Hover over this blue circle to see the source of that linked line. It tells you the name of the section and the button option that this line is triggered from. Click into the icon to see more detail about the link's origins. You can also click the button option to be taken to its location in your template. To create a new linked line, create the output line first. We can then link it back to the trigger button option or options. To do so, click the checkbox next to the line that is outputted. Then, click on the button that you want to trigger that line. Linked lines can form a chain. That means a linked line can contain a button option that triggers a new linked line. You can hover over any blue icons with numbers in them to understand the different buttons that form that chain and which level they are in the chain. For example, this line is the 4th level in the chain. By clicking on the relevant buttons in the sidebar, I can see what needs to happen to trigger this linked line. Linked lines usually appear just beneath the line that contains their trigger button. They can be rearranged. One consideration is that linked lines that populate in other sections arrange themselves at the end of that relevant section. To remove a linked line, simply click the blue icon and remove the relevant link. Your now unlinked line will become a normal line. You are free to move it, delete it, or link it again. To link all of the button options at once, click the Link from All option in the sidebar. To link multiple discrete button options, just repeat the process for each option.